Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. A place to call home is the first thing that comes to mind when you enter the gates of this beautiful home that sits on over half an acre in this very quiet and cool community of Spitzbergen. Spitzbergen is a small neighborly community located 7 minutes from Christiana and 15 minutes from Mandeville, that is favored by returning residents, professionals, and business owners alike. This helps to create a sense of relaxation, knowing that you can call on your neighbors whilst enjoying your privacy. The home is ideal for a family that dreams of enjoying the outdoor as well as indoors. The property has two large balconies for entertaining or total relaxation. The property is fully walled and has the additional comfort of an electronic gate. The master is equipped with a jacuzzi and a shower. There is also an incomplete pool area and building to the back with its own entrance. This can be completed and used as a staff quarters or an income earner. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. Asking price for this house is US 235,000 or Jamaican $36.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.